Today, I'll be demonstrating how to refill the ink tanks in the Epson ET-8550 printer and these compatible printers using these compatible ink tanks. Here are the 6 ink tanks this printer uses. From left to right, the colors for each ink tank are black, photo black, cyan, yellow, magenta, and gray. Start by unscrewing the cap from the tank you're refilling. Be careful not to touch the ink inlet port. Hold the correct color bottled ink upside down and it will start to automatically slowly pour into the tank. Make sure not to squeeze the bottle. Once it fills to the fill line, the bottle will stop filling and you can remove it. If you spilled any ink while removing the bottle, wipe it up with a damp cloth so it doesn't dry and clog the inlet. Then replace the cap, turning it clockwise to tighten. Follow this process to refill the other color ink tanks using the correct ink for each based on the labels. After refilling all the tanks, close the ink tank cover before printing. Print a test page to verify the ink flow and print quality. And that's it! Your Epson now has fresh ink ready for high-quality printing. Now, you're ready to print.